Hello everyone, welcome back. Yay! Let's drum rolls. So today I was just super tired and I just remembered that boom, I can actually have a soak to calm my nerves and to relax. And by the way, we've had this bathing soaking tub in the house for the past 5 years. And I have been so busy to the extent that I've not even soaked in this tub for one time. So this is gonna be my first experience soaking in this tub and relaxing. And I have a couple of beauty products which I'll be adding into the soaking water to make my soaking experience a beautiful one. And the moral of this video is that most times we walk to the extent that we even forget to take good care of ourselves and take a break and relax. And this video is going to show you how you can do that. You don't have to break the bank. I know some people have this soaking tub in their house. Make good use of it. Just relax. Take a deep breath. So I have the toner which I will be adding into the soaking water. I have the juicy citrus scrub which I'll be using on my face, and I have the oil which I will be using after the soak, and I have my journal which I'll be reading along the line, and I have the candle to make the atmosphere relaxing and cooling so that I can chill out and rest my nerves. Yeah, you had me right. You actually need this once in a while. Don't walk to the extent that you forget to take care of yourself. It is needed and it is necessary. And while I am soaking, I will be zipping my kefir yogurt. Yeah, my kefir probiotic yogurt. And by the way, I just remember that I got a gift 2 years ago when I clocked 40, a bathing soap kit from my friend for me. And I just remembered this evening that oh wow, I can actually use some of the materials, the beauty materials products in this to make my soaking experience a wonderful one. And by the way, I'm looking for the soap bump. That is what I'm looking for. So this container comes with different products which are actually good, that will make your soaking experience a beautiful one. And shout out to my friend Fumi Unwa Culture. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful gift. And by the way, I'm using this 2 years after you've given me this gift. Yeah, I'm so busy. So boom, I got a soap bump, and I will be dropping this in the soaking water to make my soaking experience a beautiful one. And again, I have a couple of beauty products that I'll be using to treat my body. And now boom, I just dropped the soap bump in the water, and this I will give it like few minutes to dissolve. Then I will get into the soaking tub to have this wonderful experience. And the moral of this video is that everybody walk to the extent that we even forget to take a break. And this is actually another beautiful way for you to relax, calm your nerves, rejuvenate, and take a break. Forget about everything and relax and take good care of yourself. And this is me. I have my kefir yogurt, probiotic yogurt, which will be making my soaking experience a wonderful one. And let me know what you think. Will you try this? Relax. Until next time when I come your way, it's your girl. Comment in the section. Let me know what you think. Bye for now. Thank you.